if you guys look at this, right, here's your 2 minute, here's your buy. You got an immediate tell right here. You see the colors? Now, because you bought it down here, you don't have to panic on those color changes yet, but you can see once it starts bleeding out. And you guys know how I talk about those big long candles, right? Those are options killers, these big long candles. That's when you guys start to get the hell out, right? So you can see it popped up. Now, if you guys look at the overall trade, there's one, there's two, broke below VWAP. Here's three. You rode this up. This one's four. You rode it all the way down. Do you guys start to see how this is working out? And I told you guys every day, there's usually 1 to 5 opportunities on a typical stock throughout the day if it's moving all over. So this one had 4 moves, right? You would have made money on every single move, and SPY is even, very challenging. But look at that. Tesla doing its thing. You guys can see right here. Tesla had that massive top. Now, remember, if you guys can't afford Tesla, there's TSLY, or I'm sorry, TSL, what is it? LL. There's TSL something else, right? We've got them all listed in this education area, but you guys can get these for dirt cheap, right?
TSLQ.
TSLQ. Yep. Thank you. Yep. That's the inverse. TSLQ, right? This one is for bearish. This one is bullish. I think this one is 1.5 times X. I think they both are. This one might be 3. But anyway, so here's your buy, right? It pulled back. Now remember, what did I say in pre-market, right? Pull back. There it is. Launched to the upside. Starting to get a flag here. Giant candle definitely be getting out. But look at it. There's one. I would not have bought in any of those. Why? They're all flat. I don't care what it was showing up here. I wouldn't have got in until here, which was somewhere around here. And then I would have made my money to here, right? It kept moving. It never came back above VWAP. Collect where you want. But look at that. So there you go. That is 2 trades on Tesla. Everybody see it?
Yes, coach.
Now, if you guys,
this is 2 minute, correct?
that is the 2-minute EWO only. Yep. See it?
Thank you.
So, but if you guys look at this, some of the things to note, big one here to note. Let me pull this up bigger. You see how these are all the same? I mean, once I get it so big, I can see like maybe eked out a little bit, but guys, if those look the same down there on that 2-minute EWO like this, right? I don't touch them, right? Because on my screen, it would look like this to me, right? Well, it's about that big. But do you see how they're all looking the same? I don't trade that. I never, ever trade anything. And look at it, even changed colors once here. Ding. I don't do it until you get a nice definitive candle that's bigger than the previous candle. Are any of these nice, decisive, bigger than the previous? Nope.
No, sir.
So I don't touch them. And you can even tell, look at it hanging around VWAP, trying to make up its mind. It didn't know if it wanted to pop or drop here, by the way. That's why it was doing that. Well, once you got confirmation, which was one of these, right? And you're below VWAP, it breaks down. Right here, you guys would panic, which you shouldn't because you're still green, right? If you bought it here, right? This is where most of you panic, and you should not be panicking here. Then it goes down, then it pulls back. You guys are panicking again. Why? Because you're giving back money, and it comes up and it goes here, down here. So if you use the shedding technique, you could get rid of 50% here, right? Which, this one you probably would have because you would have waited to see and it would have pulled up. This one would have pulled back. You'd have shed more. You'd have been like, I don't like it pulling back. There's 20. It could have been up and around in this soup. You could have got rid of 20 more. Now you've only got 10 and you really don't care. And then you can figure out where you want to let it go, right?